king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. You a king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I fix holes in locks. But first, let's talk about why they happen in the first place. There are a few reasons why your locks might be developing holes. One reason is not applying enough tension when you interlock. Another is improper technique. If you're going through the same loop more than once, it can cause weak spot. And lastly, waiting too long for maintenance can lead to bunching and matting, which create holes. One of the things I do as I'm retightening my client's hair, I am running my fingers down through the lock, making sure that the locks are consistent in the way that they feel. Now, if you do notice holes, don't panic. All you have to do is feel for anywhere where you can feel the inconsistency in your lock. You're gonna stick your tool through one side and out the other, then you're pulling the lock through. It's very simple. Now, depending on how big the hole is, I might have to repeat the same step a few times on the same lock. And if I have to repeat it, I'm making sure that I skip just a little down. I'm not going through the same hole again, but I'm skipping down a little to make sure that I'm not creating more holes as I'm going along. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.